Hey, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your beautiful Lottie animation and turn it into a shareable link that you can demo with, you can send to a client, or do whatever you want with in literally seconds. So let's dive straight in. What we have here is a really cool Lottie file, and I'm going to start by downloading the .lottie version of that. So this is now saved. And then I'm going to head over to tinyhost.com and I'm logged into the dashboard. And basically, I'm just going to click upload and select the animation file that I just downloaded. And I can set a few settings here, so I can password protect it if I want to, or set it so I capture emails. But I'm just going to leave it as public for now and maybe hide it from search engines. And I'm going to set a link name. So I'm just going to say, Lottie animation 1, and then click publish. And in a few seconds, that Lottie animation is now public on this link, which I can take and share wherever I want. And so it's super handy to get your Lottie file from somewhere you have created it to an online shareable link in seconds. Something else cool is you can click update and you can actually set it to a feedback mode. And so if you click here, this will enable comments. So if now we view the site on the right, you'll see project comments, and you could basically add comments here. So you can say, can you change it to blue? And this will now appear as a comment. So it's super easy to get feedback or send it to colleagues during your workflow. And finally, a really useful feature is our portfolio mode. So you can upload multiple Lottie animations. So I'm going to upload 2 Lottie animations here and just say Lottie portfolio and click publish. And so in seconds, we now have a link called Lottie portfolio, and this shows you 2 different Lottie files. So this is a new Lottie file that I've added, and the second is this one. So now I have a portfolio that I can show off if I'm trying to get clients or work. And so it's super versatile. You can add as many Lottie files as you want. Another really useful feature is to update it and link it to custom domain. So you can actually buy a custom domain here. So you can basically say, Lottie portfolio.com if you own that, and then connect it. You can even purchase a domain through us, and so you can see what's available and connect your domain. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, because we've got a lot of very useful tips for you on this channel. Thank you for watching.